Well, it's been about a month that I have my sea monkeys, and they are now kind of like in a rut. They're fighting. They're wanting to breed. They latch on to the females, but right now, because they're fighting, they latch on to the other males. They're, like I said, they're fighting. I didn't think they'd be that aggressive. Sometimes 2 and 3 of them in a ball fighting from one side of the tank to the other and back, and it breaks up, and then be a little while and they go back at it again. You're trying to find a female. You can see the male in the picture there. It's got the horns, the crown. They're actually pincers that they use to grab onto their mate, and apparently their enemy. They're big, and these ones are big. Like, I had a set when I was a kid. They didn't get this big. There we go. That's a fight. That's 2 of them fighting. There might be a third in there. This is what I was waiting for. Like, they're scrapping it out. Oh yeah. These ones aren't mating. They're fighting. This is territorial for breeding rights. They're still going. They're still... Where are they? Right there in the corner. These guys are fighting. Shit, they're still going. He might be killing it. There's one that got beat up a couple times. And he was off in the corner by himself for a little while. I apologize for it being blurry. I'm trying to zoom through all this stuff. Oh, they're on the other side of the... Oh, there they are! Front and center. Oh, come on. See, that's not a breeding... Oh. That's not a breeding position. They're fighting. They're locked. Did they break up? I don't see them locked anymore. Oh yeah, right there. They're still going at it. This is the longest fight yet. Wow. Almost 5 minutes of them fighting. Normally it lasts like 30 seconds. Maybe a minute. These guys are going on 5 minutes. Yeah, it's 5 minutes now. Where'd they go? They're at the opposite end of the tank. Are they still locked? I don't see them. Oh, yeah, front and center. They're still fighting. So if anybody thinks sea monkeys are nice, peaceful little things, this is the evidence of otherwise. Where are they? Are they still locked? Yep, they're on this side of the tank. That's nuts. But anyway, yeah, they're still going at it. I don't know where they are. They might have broke it up. I hope they did. Need those guys to breed. Now they say that the females don't have the antlers, the crown, and the males do. Supposedly it's rare that you have males. Well, I seem to have mostly males and hardly any females. So I don't know how I ended up with this. But anyway, yeah. This ought to be interesting. A month in with my sea monkeys, and things are getting interesting. Anyway, I see Twister signing out.